Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing something different. Get that out of here, and bringing up the new Elite Beyblade Burst Pro Series. Elite Champions Pro Set. So yeah, here's the back. And I need to fix that. So I literally just got home. Okay, so yeah, let's get it. So it's Josie Valkyrie, Zenith, and Destroy Dash, and that's for the red Valkyrie, Josie Valkyrie, the black Josie Spriggan, 1 Dash, and Absorb or whatever this one is. So yeah, here's the back side, the size of it. Another size, the stadium. This stadium, you're gonna see a lot of my Hasbro tournaments. I will be doing some Hasbro tournaments. Don't worry. And let's get into it, shall we? And I will be putting stickers on, so that's gonna be fun. There it is. Clean cut. Are you guys ready for the Elite box out of the way? There's the, oh god, yeah, that's great. That's freaking great. Yeah, it actually has the pockets. So yeah. And okay, put those piece right here. So everything like that will be in here. The launchers, rip cords, actual bays itself. So yeah. Really can't wait to see this. And this is the first time I actually got the Black Achilles. I never got the Black Achilles. Here's the QR codes for these. For the launcher. The light launcher. They're good. Now I will be doing a test battle and then a full battle after. There we go. Stickers right here. Josie, Achilles, and Valkyrie, the recolor. It looks gorgeous. So yeah. Let's get this then. Let's lay on those. Get the stadium all situated. Oh god. Be careful. Oh, don't do that, guys. I'm a professional. Not really. Okay. This actually looks freaking good. I like the clean look, the clean white look. Like the Tommy version. This is what I should have done in the first place. Gave us their version of a TT, or at least like this. Okay, there we go. And now it looks freaking good. I like this a lot. So let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit. This one's a little bit thicker than the other one. So yeah. Let's get these guys in. I prefer the newer ones, and the newer versions, but this is what I have to deal with. Okay. Let's get this. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is what you'll be seeing with all my Hasbro battles from now on. Okay, there's that one. Oh god. Yeah. And the Bay Hunt should be up before this, so yeah, I haven't uploaded the Bay Hunt where I found this guy in. Actually, let me get the QR codes for these. It should be on here on the thing. There we go. Achilles and Valkyrie. There we go. Let's wait for that one. That's pretty good. Oh god, that's a normal. Yeah, that's freaking weak. Ooh, and the rubber is a lot softer. Good. And it's freaking gorgeous red. Pretty good with the teeth. Yeah, at least for what Hasbro can do with the teeth. The black Achilles. Pretty cool, actually. I like how Hasbro did that one. One dash, a pretty common part now. And the Zord, or whatever it's called. And it get pretty good with the teeth. So yeah, let me put the stickers on and I'll be right back. Okay, that took me a while, but yeah. Stay tuned for big battles with these guys and also these guys. So definitely stay tuned for a battle with these guys, but let's get a quick little test battle in this new stadium. Now we'll be using these battles, so whoever wins won't count. I mean, you'll have to wait till the big challenge. So yeah, the actual battle between these two. This is just a little test. I mean, I'm going to test it, then yeah. Okay, whoa. Unlock the thing and the burst stoppers for that one. Okay, unlocked one and two. So yeah, let's get a little battle. See how this goes. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned for more battle videos like this. And goodbye.